XLM received a massive boost from the summary judgment ruling of XRP versus the SEC. Today, we're going to talk about XLM price action. Is there enough fuel in the rocket to get us to break past resistance? We're also going to talk about Coinbase. The battle with the SEC isn't over as Coinbase suspends staking in 4 states. Why? Because staking is considered securities violations. We've also got Cathie Wood out there who bought the dip and sold at the tip. Did you sell at the tip? Did you check out what the whiteboard said behind me? If not, rewind that previous segment and comment down below. And let me know if you know what it means. Bitcoin sitting at 30,336. White Sox lost 9-0 against the Braves last night. I was there. Grand slam in the first inning. It sucked. I should have worn a paper bag as a Sox fan. ETH 1937 down 3% last 24. XRP, the reason we all popped in the green, down 6.7%. Footing found above 70 cents, sitting at 72.5, with XLM, the highlight of the show, receiving massive support from the pump of XRP, sitting at 13.2, but down 7.6 though in the last 24. A balancing act. Circle CEO calls for stablecoin protection amid USDC's rise. Hold up 1 second real quick. That doesn't look like a rise. That's the market cap of USDC up on the screen. It's eroded 50% in the last year. So whoever wrote your tagline, you suck, and it's extremely inaccurate. But let's continue. Jeremy Allaire expressed that the United States risks global financial leadership if it does not move swiftly to establish and enforce stablecoin regulations. Allaire's concerns come amid congressional preparation for voting on the legislation pertaining to stablecoins still being drafted and revised by the House Financial Services Committee. I have been checking every day. I have not seen it yet because what they're going to do is they're going to write this and then they're going to do a markup vote. Hit that subscribe button because you know we're going to be live streaming it, because now with the recent action and ruling of XRP and Ripple Labs, may have a little bit more oomph here in this, right? The issue has been a point of contention between Democrats and Republicans, with a slow consensus building on the level of authority to the Federal Reserve should exercise over stablecoin issuers. Recently, the Democrats got a little bit of humble pie, as Gary Gensler was, yes, verdict action. We know about that. All right, market cap, USDC, below XRP. Market cap for USDC, 27 billion. XRP sitting at 38. Don't worry, we're going to get to XLM talk here. Coinbase suspends staking in 4 U.S. states. I have said it time and time again. We are not done with the SEC. We are far from done with the SEC. Here's the worst part. Now it's not even the SEC. Now this is states. What if I told you there's 10 states total where staking is a securities violation? Here we go. Why we stand by staking. This is from Coinbase, and as always, any article you see in this video, along with any of my other ones, will be linked in the description below. For the states, California, New Jersey, South Carolina, my home state, and Wisconsin are requiring Coinbase to prevent retail customers from staking additional assets while their proceedings go forward. In all 10 states, Coinbase will vigorously defend our staking services of those proceedings. We strongly disagree with any allegation that our staking services are securities, but we will fully comply with preliminary state orders where required, even though that comes before we've had an opportunity to defend ourselves. So even if it's not Gary Gensler and the SEC on the federal level, 10 states going after crypto on the state level, staking services, a security. Told you we're not done yet. Now, Coinbase popped big time. Coinbase is definitely popped big, but let's keep reading because they ask you about the tip. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest sells Coinbase shares worth $53 million at yearly high. Cathie Wood, ARK Invest, bought the dip. She has been buying the dip. But guess what she did? She sold at the tip. That's right, she put green in her pocket. She lined her pockets with profit. Did you do the same on this recent pump? Comment down below and let me know. Here's the chart from Coinbase. Got the 6-monther up on the screen right here. You can see Coinbase was not doing so good. Massive pop here, and look what happened. Cathie Wood sold at the top. Coinbase got as high as 114, got then down as low as 101. Cathie Wood timed the bottom, sold the top, took some profits, a lot of them, by the way, $53 million. Did you take profits of XLM? XLM's price may break a major resistance in the next 24 hours. I don't know. Volume. What volume? No, we're going to leave that in. Volume is eroding, not volume. Maybe volume's reloading. I don't know. Furthermore, XLM's 24-hour trading volume fell by more than 64% throughout the past day. As a result, the altcoin's volume stood at 419 million, which is way higher than what it used to be. So I'm still very, very happy about this. Despite XLM's latest price drop, its weekly performance remained the green at 38.16. I am super happy with that, and I think you are too. And let me ask you, are you happy with the move of XLM? Did you think more would happen? Are we done yet? Comment down below. Let's talk price though. Leading up into the pop, we were sitting at 9.6, 9.5, 9.7. You know the story, been covering every day here on the channel. Ripple Labs verdict comes out, summary judgment action. XLM gets up there. We break 18 cents, but couldn't hold it at all. Less than 5 minutes worth at 18 cents. So you had a very small window. Now here's the problem. A bunch of us were watching this action on the live stream. Yeah, I did a live stream that day. And we were watching it. You know what you told me? You wanted to go on uphold and you wanted to start selling, but you couldn't log in. You wanted to go into other platforms and you couldn't get in to sell. So also comment down below, were you trying to sell and were you denied? Isn't this kind of reminiscent of, I don't know, what happened to GameStop? Don't you remember that, where they couldn't hold the volume of it, right? They couldn't fulfill the orders. They would allow you to buy but not to sell. But here people couldn't even log in. That's not good service, everyone. But like I said, XRP got a well-deserved pump, sitting up almost 40% still. So let's celebrate that 40% oomph for the week. Here's the problem though. We got to that 18 cent mark, could not hold it. Like I said, 5-minute candlesticks. You can see them right here up on the screen. Here's the candlestick, 5 minutes. High, 18.3. Low, 17.9. That was 5 minutes. You had a short time frame. Now we have since seen, though, what? The price retrace quite heavily. But we're still up. We got to be positive. That's why I brought up the Cathie Wood story. Cathie Wood has been buying the dip of Coinbase and other crypto-related things out there. XLM has been in an extended dip for over a year, as you can see. Did you take advantage of buying during this dip? Were you then one of the people here that made the sale? Did you sell at the top? Were you able to take some profits, or did you hodl expecting more? I really want to know, because I have been in contact with a whole bunch of you. Oh my gosh, my phone has been blown up. Even at the Braves game last night again, Sox lost 9-0. My wife and I are happy. We're wearing all our Sox attire. Go Sox, go. And then obviously the Braves, the best team in baseball, just pounded the crap out of us. It was a walk, hit by pitch, a walk, and then a grand salami against the Sox in the first inning. No outs, and we were down 4-0. Where's my white paper bag? Come on. But tell me, what are your thoughts? Did you really think that there was going to be more? Were you expecting $1.50, $2 XLM on this first pop? Were you expecting 50 cents? Were you expecting us to claw our way back to kind of where we were hanging out, all-time highs before? It didn't hold. It did not hold. In fact, when we look at this here, you can see the majority of these have not hold. They're still looking for footing. Now, a lot of them are developing footing. XRP is developing footing over 70 cents. XLM is developing footing over 13 cents. But with volume shrinking, and you can see it here on the screen, I'll move it over so you can see. Look at this big boom in volume, and now we're back to nothingness again. Again, not nothingness, but nothing compared to the oomph. This was so short-lived. Super, super short-lived. Now, based on the phone calls and text messages I've gotten over the last several days, a bunch of you are very upset that the prices did not go more parabolic, that there was no moon action. Now, granted, not all of you have access to my phone, text message, and all that. So this is where you tell me, how do you feel about this? I know how Cathie Wood feels. She bought the dip and sold at the tip. Hodl mode, disengaged. Take profits when you can. Let me know in the comments below. Did you hodl? Diamond hands hoping for more? Or did you sell and line your pockets with green and celebrate this weekend? I don't think we're done yet. The first hit was good. Not as strong as we'd like. But but I still think we got more action to come. A lot more action. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And also, check out the whiteboard behind me. Do you know what that means? If you do, comment down below. And I will share your message in the next video, giving you credit for identifying Gary can SMD FTB. Catch you cool cats later.